Do you have problem with your WordPress website like critical errors, fatal errors or a dreaded white screen? No worries, I am Kokon, 14 years experienced WordPress developer and I am here to fix them fast. Let's see what I can do for you. WordPress bug fix, Elementor error fix, WordPress malware removal, WooCommerce bug fix, website updates. Additionally, I offer solution for layout or responsive issues, database connection issues, login issues, domain and hosting related problems, customizing theme and plugin, fixing issues with page builder like Elementor, DB and WPBravo, 504 gateway timeout errors, critical errors in WordPress, and all others issue you may have. Why you should choose me? I offer 100% satisfaction guaranteed, proven track record, unlimited revisions, after sales support, 24 hours 7 days support. So why you are waiting for? Let's work together to make your website best it can be. Click the contact now button and let's fix your WordPress issue today. I am excited to help you to get your website back on track. Reach out now to get started.